Go.
Ako po si Kenneth Morato.
My name is Kenneth Morato.
Ligtas po ako noong December 2010.
I got saved last December 2010.
Ano po, 7 all.
I am 7 years old.
Gusto ko po, tinulungan po ako ni Pastor po. Yung church po pala ng katipo ni Pastor para po ayusin. Katipo ng church po na ito. Saka po,
This church been used by God with Pastor Torres, Pastor Angel Torres, and God brought me here in Carpenter South Baptist Church to be trained and to teach me how to be a good boy and how to live a good and godly life.
ako po batang-bata pong preacher boy.
Dito po sa church.
Nandito po ako sa church.
Ako po, I am the youngest preacher boy of the Infantry Giving Church. Ang gusto mo?
Pangarap ko po, maging pong police.
My desire and my dream, if the Lord's will, is to become a police officer. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you. God bless you.
Bye-bye. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.